To use Debank wallet address import, start by understanding what Debank is. Debank is a comprehensive crypto wallet that allows users to manage their digital assets across multiple chains. Importing a wallet address is a straightforward process that enables you to track and manage your existing cryptocurrency holdings within the Debank platform. First, you need to create a Debank account if you haven't already. Visit the Debank website and follow the sign-up process, which typically involves providing an email address and creating a password. Once your account is set up, log in to access the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Wallet section of your Debank account. Here, you will find options to add a new wallet. Select the Import Wallet option, which allows you to add an existing wallet by providing its address. Before proceeding, ensure you have your wallet address ready. This address is usually a long string of characters that starts with a specific prefix, depending on the cryptocurrency. For example, Ethereum addresses start with 0x, while Bitcoin addresses start with a 1, 3, or BC1. To import your wallet address into Debank, click on the Import button and paste your wallet address into the provided field. Select the correct blockchain network associated with your wallet address, as Debank supports multiple chains. This step is crucial to ensure that your wallet is tracked correctly. After providing the necessary information, confirm the import. Debank will then sync your wallet data, which may take a few moments. Once the sync is complete, you will be able to view your wallet balance and transaction history directly within the Debank platform. Best practices include ensuring your wallet address is correct to avoid any potential issues with tracking your assets. Additionally, keep your Debank account and wallet private keys secure to protect your digital assets from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily import your wallet address into Debank and start managing your cryptocurrency holdings more efficiently. Debank's wallet address import feature is a powerful tool for anyone looking to consolidate their crypto management into a single, user-friendly interface.